Hey everybody, in this series of videos, I'm introducing you to all the expert instructors who are teaching in the advanced program inside the WP Project Managers Academy. And today I'd like to introduce you to my dear friend, Adam Warner. Adam and I met at my very first WordCamp, and Adam is the epitome of what the WordPress community represents. Kind, welcoming, and he really made me feel a part of things. And since then, we've become fast friends. Adam is going to share with you in his lesson how you can use a central dashboard to maintain all of your clients from one location, regardless of where their websites are hosted. But I'll let Adam tell you a little bit more about that.
Hi, everybody. My name is Adam Warner, and I'm here to introduce myself, tell you a little bit about how I met Beth, and let you know what to expect from me in the WordPress Project Manager Academy course. I first met Beth at WordCamp Asheville in 2018, and since that time I've been to probably no less than a dozen events with Beth. I've seen her speak, I've seen her share her knowledge freely with people, and I'm a huge advocate of Beth's knowledge, experience, and her coursework. I just want to talk a little bit about what I'll be talking about in Beth's program, and that is about managing your website care or maintenance program and your clients. So a lot of times when we have clients, we're managing sites. With every site, you have to do things like update WordPress core software, update plugins, themes, offer backups, uptime monitoring, keyword ranking, all kinds of things. Not to mention client reporting and reporting to your clients what has been done on their site every month or every week or whatever the schedule is. Now, doing that with one site is not a big deal. You log in, you run updates, you run backups, you do whatever you need to do, you're done. But what if you have 5 clients, 10 clients, 20 clients, 100, 300 clients? You can see how that quickly becomes a time suck just to manage the standard items that every website should have managed. So I'm going to show you a unified dashboard where you can connect all of these individual client sites and your individual client information and bulk run all of these website maintenance and care tasks. So I hope you join us in the WordPress Project Managers Academy, and we'll see you there.
So I really love the lesson that Adam is teaching, and I'm sure you'll get a lot out of it. Now remember, you can join the WP Project Managers Academy for free, and the WordPress Project Management 101 roadmap is also free. If you decide to upgrade to the advanced program, it's really at a very affordable price, and you can find out all about that at wproadmaps.com/join us, all one word, and I really hope to see you inside the Academy.